Good day, everyone. My name is Ravenlyn M. Mariano from grade 11 Yung Shakespeare in Karanglan National High School. Today, I'm gonna discuss to you the meaning of Kepler's planetary and the three types of law in Kepler's planetary. What is Kepler's planetary? Kepler's planetary is describing the motion of planets in our solar system. Johannes Kepler is the one who published the Kepler's planetary in 1609 and 1619. The three types of law in Kepler planetary is the orbits, areas, and the period. We're gonna discuss the meaning of the first Kepler's law, which is the orbits. What is the first Kepler's planetary law? The first Kepler planetary law is the orbits. Each planet orbit about the Sun is an ellipse. The Sun's center is always located at one focus of the orbital ellipse. The Sun is at one focus, always in one focus. The planet follows the ellipse in its orbit, meaning that the planet to Sun distance is constantly changing as the planet goes around its orbit. What is the Kepler's planetary second law? The Kepler's planetary second law is the areas. The imaginary line joining a planet and the Sun sweeps equal areas of space during equal time intervals as the planet orbits. Basically, the planets do not move with constant speed along their orbits. Rather, their speed varies so that the line joining the centers of the Sun and the planet sweeps out equal parts of an area in equal times. The point of nearest approach of the planet to the Sun is termed perihelion. The point of greatest separation is aphelion. Hence, by Kepler's second law, a planet is moving fastest when it is at perihelion and slowest at aphelion. What is the third Kepler's planetary law? The third Kepler's planetary law is the period. It is the squares of the orbital periods of the planets are directly proportional to the cubes of the semi-major axes of the orbits. It is the square of the orbital periods of the planets are directly proportional to the cubes of the semi-major axes of their orbits. Kepler's third law implies that the period for a planet to orbit the Sun increases rapidly with the radius of its orbit. Thus, we find that Mercury, the innermost planet, takes only 88 days to orbit the Sun. The Earth takes 365 days, while Saturn requires 10,759 days to do the same. Though Kepler hadn't known gravitation when he came up with this law. That's why this law became instrumental to Isaac Newton to derive his theory of universal gravitation.